Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Wrangler oil light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on/run position. It's important that you do not start the engine, just get the accessories powered on. You might hear some chimes or see diagnostic lights come on and then go off. Wait for these initial system checks to complete before moving to the next step. This ensures your vehicle is ready for the reset procedure. Now for the key action. You need to fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 separate times. Make sure each press goes all the way to the floor and is released completely. This entire sequence of 3 presses must be completed within a quick 10-second window. Precision here is important for the system to register the command correctly and proceed with the reset. Once you have completed the accelerator pedal presses, turn your ignition completely off. This signals the end of the reset sequence. After a brief moment, go ahead and start your Jeep's engine as you normally would. The oil change required, message, or light should now be cleared from your dashboard, indicating a successful reset of your oil life monitor. If the oil light remains on after your first attempt, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire procedure carefully. For some newer Jeep models with a digital display, you might navigate to the Vehicle Info or Oil Life menu using your steering wheel controls, then press and hold the OK button to reset it to 100%. Always consult your owner's manual for the most accurate, model-specific instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.